Hello, I'm George Hughes, one of the Tergar International facilitators, and I'd like to invite you to join us for Joy of Living Level 3, which will be held in São Paulo at the end of this month. If you're not familiar with the Joy of Living teachings, Mingyur Rinpoche has taken the Mahamudra teachings and distilled them down to an accessible program for anyone, regardless of belief system, religion, etc. In level 1, we really work with shamatha, calm abiding practice. We are introduced to awareness and our innate qualities that are always there, and we begin to stabilize our recognition of these innate qualities, specifically awareness in level 1. In level 2, we move on to the 4 immeasurables: loving kindness, compassion, joy, equanimity, and we introduce the sending and receiving practice, or Tonglen. Here in level 3, we move deeper into Vipassana practice, focusing on wisdom, really beginning to look at reality as it is, recognizing that much of what we experience comes from our own minds. On the first day, Rinpoche will even talk to us about the fact that we create our own prison mentally. Through our own perceptions, we create our own prison and we don't see a way out. But once we recognize that we have created this prison through our own perceptions, through our own imputations, then we automatically have the key, once we recognize that it has all come from our own minds. So this is just a brief touch on what we will cover over this weekend. Incredibly transformative program from everyone I've ever spoken to about it, and I hope to see you there. Thank you.